Tell me I didn't slay once again. Tell me I didn't. Tell me I didn't. You can't, because you would be lying. Why you want to play with me? You know I'm undefeated. Real hot girl, know how to keep it heated.
Hot girl, hot girl, hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. We hopping straight into this freaking video. I ain't wasting no time, sis. I didn't cut time and save time. Did the eyebrows off camera and everything. I will have most of my stuff linked in the description box, if not on the screen, just to help y'all like with what I'm using and everything. But for the most part, this video is self-explanatory. Like, y'all can see what I'm doing. I tried to keep this more on the drugstore side. I use a few products that's like a little pricey from Sephora, but not nothing too crazy. This foundation was new. I guess, I don't know, the Target by my house. Us girls of color are not buying the foundation because literally, sis, it was all on clearance and I wasn't resisting. So I did pick up that Milani foundation, and I actually did a good job with matching my shade. I didn't even try it on. I looked at the bottle, it was on sale, I grabbed it. Like, that's literally all I did. Sis is putting her glasses on because I literally can't see. We put a thumbs up because we like this foundation. So I'm going on my LA Girl Pro Concealer. We gonna highlight the areas that need to be highlighted, period, self-explanatory. Under the eyes, under the nose, on the nose, the forehead, and the chin. And yeah, y'all, I really went for like a very simple but yet bold at the same time Valentine's Day look. It's really that red lip. I'm gonna be honest. It's that red lip. Like, that's really what it was. But yeah. Y'all, I swear by the sponge that I'm using. I have used it a couple times on my channel and I really like it. It's from a website called Shop Miss A, where everything is a freaking $1. It's like a beauty supply store online, sis. Like, but a little bit different. Just go check them out. I get my sponges on there. They only $1. I think I just said that, but yeah. I'm just stressing it because it's $1. Like, just go get you one. So I'm still blending that concealer out. Popping them glasses on once again. I was watching another girl do a get ready with me, like she's doing her makeup, but she's like, how do girls with glasses put their makeup on? Like, I don't know, I wear contacts, sis. Like this, I take my glasses on and off as I do my makeup, literally. But I'm using this little elf brush. It's like the perfect contour brush, and I'm using my black Radiance palette, dark to deep, and we going in with that contour shade. Y'all, a little goes a long way with this stuff. Like, and somehow I forget that, like, every time. Like, look, I'm literally going crazy with it, and it's like, sis, calm down. But y'all, that's why y'all see me blending out the edges. I'm just trying to blend like the concealer and the contour together. I'm definitely gonna blend more because I'm looking on the camera like, no ma'am. So we definitely can blend some more. But yeah, so far it ain't looking that bad. Just blending. And now I'm going in with a fluffy Shop Miss A brush. It's by their brand AOA Studios, and we just blending that my contour. I'm blending my contour in with my highlight. I'm going in with my favorite setting powder, which is the Honeymoon by Black Radiance. I really like Black Radiance. So we just cutting our contour, cleaning it up, setting all the areas where I highlighted. Like I said, make sure you check out the description box. I'm gonna have everything that I used linked in the description box, possibly on the screen as well, but definitely in the description box. So now I'm just dusting that powder away, and we about to spray our face with that Urban Decay setting spray. It is the oil control one because your girl got oily skin. That was from Sephora. It was only $15 because I got the travel size one and I was trying it out. So that ain't that bad, y'all. I'm going in with that literally the same brown that I used to contour my face. I'm using it as an eyeshadow now. I'm using my Real Techniques blending brush, like an eyeshadow brush, just to blend that out. And yeah, we going real simple, like kind of bold but simple with the eye look, just browns. And I'm literally using that same contour shade with the highlight and the contour shade in there, and just blending those browns together to create my simple, quick eyeshadow look. Y'all, it's that bold red lip. Like, it's really the lip that make this a Valentine's Day look, to me, in my opinion. I'm lining my lips with the same pencil that I used to do my eyebrows with. And we're going to use Outlaw by Kat Von D on our lips. I got it in like a little sample from Sephora. There we go. And I was doing too much, y'all. I also used this other like matte liquid lipstick that I got in an Ipsy bag. And then on top of that, spray my face again, I used the Maybelline like Vivid Matte liquid lipstick. And I'll have the shade and everything in the description box. Make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up, by the way. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, sis, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm lit, period. And I like beauty, all things beauty. I like get ready with me's and all that girly stuff. So subscribe if you're interested in stuff like that. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with these lashes that I got. See, there I go again. Sis, you're doing too much. Literally 3 reds. Like, I think I just forgot that I had those, and I just started layering them. I don't know. But y'all, my beauty supply store is stepping it up with the lashes. Like, they got some nice lashes at my beauty supply store. So we popping them on. We're gonna put the glasses on again and get into this hair, period. That wrapped up the makeup portion, sis. It was really simple and easy, but yet cute. Oh, snap. Who is she? Okay. We about to move on to my hair, y'all. I gotta go grab my flat irons. He ain't never been with a chick this bad. Ain't this necklace cute? It's like more. If you watched my huge collective haul, then you would know where this necklace is from. Do y'all see that part? Do y'all see the part? Shopcase Crochets. That's all I'm gonna say. Let me get the flat iron so I can stop rambling. He ain't never been with a chick this bad. I'm saying, like the mother. Hey, yeah. I wasn't even freaking recording. Anyway, so I just brought this today. I'm about to try it. It's called the Olive Oil Silk and Shine Heat Protecting Serum infused with coconut oil for restorative shine. So we about to try this. Hopefully make my hair silky and just protects it from the heat and do everything it's supposed to do. First of all, we about to rub that through the hair first. Iron, please don't burn my table. Please. Okay, I like how it comes out. It don't come out like too much. Okay, so boom, y'all. I'm about to talk a little bit about this hair in my head. So it was sent to me by Longqi here on Amazon. It was a 16-inch body wave unit, which as y'all can see, I'm straightening it out. And I'm wearing it in the middle part. I love the parting space. It was a 13x6 unit. And yeah, this hair is pretty good. It doesn't really shed that much. I've only had it in for a week. But the shedding is like, it's decent or whatever. It ain't nothing too crazy. It's actually very minimum. And this hair is very affordable. So if y'all want to check them out, y'all can or whatever. Look, heads up, hair companies. This is going to be my last freaking free promo. Because your girl ain't no professional, but she come on here and she do a little something with these wigs. You know, they look natural. They look like scalp. I'm giving you growing out of my scalp. You feel me? So, yeah, my time is money. So I just feel like you gotta know what you're worth. You feel me? Like, if you got a craft or anything that you like, you just do something good, or you're good at something, and somebody wants you to promote it for them, like, they should pay you for your services. But yeah, anyways, I'm always keep it $150 with y'all when it comes to anything. Cause baby, if I was spending my own coins, I would need everything to be together. You feel me? Like, we're not promoting birds' nests or anything like that on this channel. So yeah, this hair is valid, y'all, and it's very affordable. You get what you pay for. So I just wanted to put that out there. She looking like something. She looking like something. Why you want to play with me? You know I'm undefeated. Real high girl know how to keep a nigga heated. Alright. I like this stuff. It did what it needed to do. As she should. Okay, baby hairs. Look. Y'all know I gotta get a close up. This is what we do. Tell me I didn't slay once again. Tell me I didn't. Tell me I didn't. You can't, because you would be lying. Why you want to play with me? You know I'm undefeated. Real hot girl know how to keep it heated. Okay, this is mirror cam. Like, I'm giving you K's Krochets, honey. I'm giving you Valentine's Day. I'm giving you Valentine's date night. I'm giving you red bow lip. I'm giving you pink nails. I'm giving you red and pink. I'm giving you Valentine's Day. I'm giving you life. So you guys, that basically wraps up this video. That was my hair and makeup Valentine's Day inspired, honey. Don't forget to shop K's Krochets. My website will be up soon. Your girl been working on it. Your girl has really been working on it. So, we'll ignore the back of my hand. Yeah, you still can shop my tops. Just DM me on Instagram, Snapchat me, do whatever you gotta do. Shipping is available. So, yeah. I just wanted to show y'all, like, I went out and bought this yarn, and it's just giving me literally like it's red velvet. So, it's giving me bougie. Like, tell me this top ain't cute. And it was handmade by your girl, like. Yes, ma'am. This hair is bomb. Make sure y'all go check out Longqi hair. I think that's how you say it, Longqi, on Amazon. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, y'all know what to do. Make sure you thumbs this video up. Make sure you subscribe to your girl channel and hit that bell for post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next one. Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever ask was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. No, I never had to let you go to the